Good afternoon, beta. Today I'll start our new lesson, nutrition in animals. In this lesson, there are 4 topics that we will cover in this lesson. First one, steps in nutrition. Part by part we will cover this lesson. It's a little bit difficult than first one. Steps in nutrition. Second, nutrition in human being. Third, nutrition in ruminants. Ruminants means grass eating animals like cow, buffalo, goat. And last topic will be nutrition in amoeba. So first start with steps in nutrition. Again we will repeat what is nutrition. We have seen in first lesson, nutrition is a mode of taking food and utilized by the body. So for utilizing the food, there are 5 steps involved. What are the 5 steps? I know that you have read the lesson, so you should know. First step is ingestion. What is the first step? Ingestion. Second step is digestion. What is the third step? Third step is absorption. What is the fourth step? Fourth step is assimilation. And final and last step is egestion. Okay, so there are 5 steps. First step is ingestion. Now we will define first what are the 5 steps, and then we will, on the basis of these 5 steps, we will cover our 3 mode of nutrition in this lesson for the animals, human beings and amoeba. So first, what is ingestion? I will provide these different definitions of all these points in written, but just orally. What is ingestion? Ingestion is the first step. First step, what is the first step? Intake the food, क्योंकि जब तक हम खाना खाएंगे नहीं तो डाइजेस्ट कहाँ से करेंगे, and then nutrition कैसे obtain होगा. So first step is ingestion. Ingestion means the process by which food is taken inside the body or inside the mouth by the organism is known as ingestion. I am repeating again, beta. What is the ingestion? The process by which organism intake the food. First step is ingestion, the process by which food is taken in the body by the organism. Now second, what is digestion? Digestion is a process or the process of breaking down the complex food. Digestion is a process in which food is complex food is break down to convert into the simpler form, or you can say that the process of breaking down complex food into simple and soluble form is known as digestion. I am repeating again, beta. The process of converting or breaking down complex food into simple and soluble form is known as digestion. Third one is absorption. What is absorption? It is the process by which digested, when food is digested, then we will absorb the nutrition. So absorption is a process. It is the process by which digested nutrients are taken to different parts of the body by the circulatory system. Circulatory system means through the blood. We will transport all the nutrition through the blood to all parts of the body. I am repeating again, absorption. It is the process by which digested nutrients are taken to different part of the body by the or through the blood. Again I am repeating, beta. it is the process. What it is the process? Absorption. Absorption is a process in which the digested nutrients are taken to the different parts of the body by the circulatory system or blood is known as absorption. Last time I'm repeating, it is the process by which the digested nutrients are taken to different parts of the body by the circulatory system, or you can say that through blood. It is known as absorption. Definitions of all points are given in your workbook as well as in textbook. Next one is assimilation. What is assimilation? It is the process of using absorbed food molecules for producing energy and growth. I am repeating again. First step is ingestion, means just intake the food, then break down the food or digest the food. Then after digesting the food, nutrition or capture from the food and transport to the all parts of the body. And after that, that nutrition will be used for what? So that will be defined in assimilation. What is assimilation? It is the process of using absorbed food molecules for producing energy and growth. मीन्स हमें जो न्यूट्रिशन मिल गया है बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन, उस न्यूट्रिशन का हम क्या करेंगे? अपने बॉडी को एनर्जी देने के लिए और ग्रोथ के लिए यूटिलाइज करेंगे और यूज करेंगे. सो एसिमिलेशन इज अ प्रोसेस of using that absorbed food or absorbed nutrition for producing energy and growth. I am repeating last time. Assimilation is a process of using absorbed nutrients for producing energy and for growth. Last step is egestion. What is egestion? The process of removing undigested food materials or waste food materials from the body is called egestion. What is egestion, beta? Egestion is a process of removing undigested food materials from the body is called egestion. Okay, in next video we will start second point, nutrition in animals. Thank you, beta.